Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to take a look at this app Photopea, which is a photo editing software that runs in a web browser and it's completely free. If you take a quick look at the user interface, it looks like Adobe Photoshop. So it's like this software Photopea is the second Photoshop, but the free version. So if you're looking for a free photo editing software, you should definitely try this one. And today I'm going to show you around this app Photopea to see if it's good enough for designing, photo editing and drawing. Okay, so let's get started. First, to open this software, you just need to go to your web browser and go to photopea.com to use this app. It's free, but there are ads on the right side as you can see, but it's not that annoying at all, so it's fine. And there are also premium version, so this is the difference between free and premium version, and this is the price list. It also supports different types of file like PSD, AI, XD and so on, and of course a finished photo file as well. Okay, there are tools panel on the left side, and on the right side we have these layers, channels, path and history. Okay, then I'm going to file and create a new document. So we have a lot of different layout and templates that you can use for design, and you can also set the filter to find what you need. Okay, so let's use this one. So when I open the template, it will load the fonts that are in the template. Okay, so if you want to open your PSD or Affinity photo file and the font isn't in this Photopea, I think it will search it online and then load it to Photopea, so you don't have to worry about it. Then let's check out the font. Okay, so as you can see, there are plenty of font that you can use. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can also load your own font on your computer. Then let's check out the brush. Okay, there are only a few brushes here, but you can always load your own brush. So I'm going to create a new layer and draw some line. Okay, so like I said before, it looks like Adobe Photoshop, so it works like Adobe Photoshop as well, but not all features are in Photopea. Okay, so you can use selection and then move the object around or delete it or duplicate the layer. Okay, so it works like Photoshop. Okay, and then some of you might be wondering, so I'm using pen tablet all of the time, and if you're using pen tablet as well for drawing, some of you might be thinking, is there pressure sensitivity in Photopea? And the answer is yes, there is pressure sensitivity in Photopea. So if you go to the top, you will see these two buttons right here. Okay, so this one is to control the opacity. Okay, if you press harder, the line will become darker, and if you press lighter, it's the opposite, it will become less darker. And this button is to control size. So when you press harder, the line will become thicker, and if you press less harder, it will become thin. But as you can see, the lines don't look good, so I don't really recommend it for drawing. There are a lot of free drawing software that you can try. They are better than Photopea like Medibang, Sai or Krita. But for design, it's good because it works like Photoshop. Okay, next I'm going to import raw photo to Photopea to check out the raw editor. Okay, so I must say it's a little disappointing because we have a very limited adjustment right here. You can only set the white balance, exposure and contrast. Okay, so it's a little disappointing. And this JPEG button is to convert this raw format to JPEG file. So when I click on it, it will download this photo in JPEG format. Okay, and there are also layer effects in Photopea. and a lot of adjustments right here. So even though the raw editor is a little bit disappointing, you can use these adjustments to edit your photo. And then we also have this a lot of filters that you can try it one by one. And one last thing, you don't have to stay online to use this software, so I will disconnect my connection. And as you can see, I can still use this software, so I can still draw brush and save the file. And export it as well. So it doesn't matter if you're online or offline, you can always use this software photo even though you're offline. And again, I don't really recommend this software for drawing. You can use other free drawing software like Medibang, Sai, or Krita. And I really recommend it for designing, photo editing, and photo manipulations because it works just like in Photoshop, and almost all of the features are in Photopea, and most importantly, it's free. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.